third quarter, medyo they had a run. But that's just the way the game is, and we should learn how to break that kind of run because it could happen later on. So, na-break naman namin yung run, but still, I think we weren't able to break the run as soon as I wanted to, without calling as much as possible a timeout. So that's good. We have Berto with us. He knows how to run the team. He knows what's needed when things are not going well, and he'll find a way to to break the streak, to score, to defend. So that's what Robert is here for.
Thank you, Coach. Yun nga, Robert, challenge ka nila na mas galingan mo pa this season. Binigyan mo sila ng almost a triple-double first game pa lang. Dagdag ko na rin dyan, ano masasabi mo sa connection nyo ni Mike Henry? Nagkakagulo pa kayo Manila ng ibang?
Wala. Wala lang. Masaya lang na nanalo. Pero syempre, yung fourth quarter lang yan. Yan na naman kami yung nag-let down lagi. Dapat gawin na namin yun. Pag gano'n, dapat keep mo talaga. Dapat hindi kami mag-relax papabalikin lang. Sayang yung effort na ginawa namin halos whole game tapos bumaba ng level parang kailangan na may coach Joe and coaching staff yun yung pakita namin sa bukas paano nangyari yun. So dapat pag-uwi namin.
We now open floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Thank you.
Gato, siyempre namin naka-anticipate going to this game na mo yung 4 points at during, at least sa kapat, during the first half, na-maximize mo yung 4 points at to penetrate or create some shots for setting other team, in their teammates.
Yun nga, this conference, iba na yung role ko, may import, so siya yung main man namin sa offense. So itong off-season na to, tinabaho yung defense. Itong effort, itong game na to, yung gusto nila coach. And yung import namin nandiyan naman lagi. So yung 4 points, hindi naman namin hinahanap yan. Minsan lang pag shot clock, pero ginagamit ko lang as advantage na nakaangat sila. So yun yung time na nakaka-create ako para sa mga kasama ko. And happy ako na lahat ng trabaho ng teammates ko noong off-season. Ayun, na-approve na yun sa first game. So hopefully sa next games namin gano'n ulit. And team effort lagi, lalo na sa depensa. So namin bigyan si Coach Jong ang first win niya. Tatagal-tagal na. Kaya pabalik ko namin sa ito. Yun.
Sana not the only one.
Yes.
Pero itong tournament, parang FIBA style lang kung base din. Maka-playoffs kayo. At saka naka-short kung schedule lang. Pero yung approaching is format na to.
Yun nga, bagong format, may 4 points, daming bago. And ang saya maglaro kasi minsan hindi pa sanay pag nandun ka sa loob eh. Pero yun nga, pag may bagong innovation, minsan tatagal pa bago makuha yung style. Pero masaya kami sa game na to, yung depensa namin yung 4th quarter lang talaga. And hopefully, makuha namin yung top 4. I think 1 month lang matatapos na yung team game. So, sunod-sunod yung laro dapat. Healthy mga players, lagi namin sa mga katawan namin. And hopefully next games, makakuha ulit namin yung mga panalo.
Aware ka ba na may chance ka mag-triple-double? Kasi nag-awak ka ng rebound ni Import. Siya tuloy ka nag-double-double.
yung si Anton kasi sumigaw lang sa boses eh. So, narinig ko nung pamatalo ko pa lang. So, sinabi ko na tayo, bakit? Kinuha niya, okay lang.
Coach, the feeling of being back and winning on the first game, at least that's na-achieve mo na yung first win in your return.
Kaya masaya naman, siyempre, ano naman feeling para sa akin, masaya naman talaga ako pag nananalo. But siyempre, parang medyo nakahinga, diba, first win, siyempre, first game, first win, medyo nape-pressure ka kung tama ma yung ginawa mo nung mga off-season, di ba, kung tama ba yun? Kasi siyempre, iba yung assistant ka sa Gilas, iba yung assistant ka sa Meralco, sa NLEX, iba yun eh. Pero pag nandun ka na, ibang usapan na yan, ikaw na nagtitimon, ikaw na lahat. So, lahat na sa'yo. So, medyo nakahinga. Makakatulog ako mamayang gabi maski isang beses lang bago ng laro.
Pero may difference ba sa way na gamitin ka ni Coach yung comparing to your other coaches?
Usap naman kami ni Coach. Siyempre, champion ako si Coach. So, champion ng players na dumaan na mas magaling pa sa akin. So, alam na niya kung paano yung style. So, yung ano ko lang talaga, stinart ko na itong game na to. Hindi ako masyado ng focus sa offense. Nandiyan naman yung import. Kasi pag-style, run yung game namin. So, kung ano yung gusto ni Coach, sundin mo lang na palang ako, may opportunity ka rin. And yung defense talaga, yun yung sinimulan ko sa game. Na-try ko bigyan ng effort yung defense. Medyo doon ako konting grab, pero itong off-season, nagtrabaho ko. Medyo maganda yung defense naman itong first game. Sana tuloy-tuloy na. Kung nakikita ng teammates ko, medyo nagaganahan din sila. So,
Same lang, 40 minutes lalaro ni Belto. Same lang.
That ends our post-game press conference.
Thank
Thank you
you.
everyone.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats, Coach.